Women I see
when the sky is green
and the grass is green.
Island girls, you are a man's best dream.
Island girls, I like the way that you suit me. Love the way you move me. Press the other. Love the way. What up? You guys press the camera thing. Go. Start beginning. Wow. Ready? You gotta start the beginning. We'll do a little Island Girls massage.
No, we've been loving from the dark until dawning. Now I'm looking in your eyes in the morning. And when you look at me,
girl, and smile,
'cause I know you treat me right all the while.
Nowhere else in the world I've been.
No more beautiful woman I've seen. When the sky is clear and the grass is
green.
Island girls, you're every man's best dream.
Island girls, I like the way that you move me. Like the way you move me. I love the way you move me. Island girls, I love the way that you love the way you soothe me. Now everywhere that I go and every time I do a show, got a bunch of local girls all in the front row. They say in other words in the way the song goes, bodies bumping all around like they playing the bong. And you know they wanna come to the party, kick it with the sauce time. And if you're not, turn up the stereos and she can shake her body. Baby girl, I love it when you call me Big Marquis. I like the way that you move me. I love the way you move me. I love the way you move me. Island girls, you're the pretty island girls. Island girls, I love the way you soothe me. Joe, if I and I had one weakness, it would be Island woman. Without the beauty all around, only I put your man. When I cruise against the wall, I'm looking all around the globe. Exotic Island girl is moving in a rubber dub. I say, if I had one of these girls as my companion, we be looking up to the stars under the pen. Been all around the world and see what the countries have to offer. Love what I see, but don't for me, 'cause the Island girls is looking more proper. They with me, that make you be tracking you're number one. Every drummer Island man. So I've been sending all my love to the princess of the sea. Melanesian, Micronesian, Moanesian beauty. Girl, I like the way that you move me. I love the way you move me. I love the way you move me. Island girl, I like the way that you soothe me. Yeah. The Shack.
Shut up. I was about to call you Noah.
Is this Oakland Hills?
Yeah.
Piedmont.
It's Piedmont Hills, isn't it?
Yeah.
Whoa.
Bay Area.
No, I'm in Piedmont. No, it's buried in Piedmont.
You have to be at the top of the hill. Hardest place to get down and walk back up. That shit is not too bad.
Back to the construction.
You put on pause.
What the heck?